Hey, Fan Man here. So today I'm actually going to be reviewing a product that I bought on Amazon. Now, these are Yaheetech patio blocks. Now they are made of wood. In fact, yeah, I mean, you know, they smell really nice. One thing I noticed when I first got them, brought them up onto the porch, is just they do have a very pleasant smell. Now, they have an interlocking system on the back. One of the main reasons I got these is this is my sort of de facto fan shop, workshop area in the cellar, and I'm trying to fix it up. As you can see, I've done some painting over here already. Still a lot I have to do, but you know, and the floors are horrible, so disgusting. I've been trying to fix those up. Now, they interlock quite nicely, and I'll let you do a demonstration of that momentarily. But they come in the box here. I got 3 of these boxes, and yeah, they have. I will lift the phone up so you can see this. They slide right into place. Hard to do with one hand. Actually, no, it wasn't that hard to do with one hand. And then, yeah, now it's one whole section. So far, I am impressed. I don't know anything about their longevity. I'm hoping they're going to last a while, but yeah, they've been you know, basically loaded. You know, they're loaded in the box back to back, and then on the part where the face of the wood touches, they have foam, you know, little foam sheets to protect it, which is a nice touch. I'm glad that didn't get overlooked, but yeah, I think that looks pretty sharp. As of now, yeah, I do recommend it, and I'd be remiss if I didn't state that I'm not a paid, you know, I'm not paid on behalf of the company. In fact, it took me a couple minutes before I could even pronounce that. But and I don't know if I pronounced it correctly. I think it's Yaheetech, but it could be something else. I don't even monetize my YouTube channel, but I do believe when there is a decent product for a fair price, I'll just give you an honest review of it. And if it's a piece of crap, I'll give you an honest review on that too. So anyway, thanks a lot for watching. Stay tuned for more videos. Good night and good luck.